Okay, we've shaved our neck down on this one here. We got it shaved down all the way around. We used our 4-inch belt sander on this, so we have to get it, take it in more because we want it to fit inside here better. Pretty much, you want this to be pretty much flush with the bottom. So we're going to put the back of the head back on, but because we did this, we had to cut a little bit of this off so it will fit in there now. So we cut that off and put the back of the head back on. So we can get it all shaved down right. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Okay, so now we can put it in a vise and not worry about that too much. So like I say, we're going to shave this down now. We want this to fit properly, and we want to get it more rounded. And then with the mouth, we want to check our mouth because we've got to round these edges down. So we'll use this tool here. So you can see how this rounds it down more. So we're going to keep going all the way around till we get it nice and rounded to where it's going to fit in here properly where we want it. We'll take this down and round this down. And you can see down here we lost our circle mark. That's why we want to mark our center down here so we know where the center is when we drill a hole for our stick, because you don't want to be off that. So we're going to keep rounding this down. We'll do that. We'll switch to, after we get it taken down, we'll switch to some sanding discs that we're going to use and sand it down, and then I'll use my palm sander to finish sanding it so it will smooth it down, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.